Hi everyone, it's me again. Yesterday I posted a video about one of the exercises on CodeWars, and today I decided to do another one. I found a nice exercise which is actually creating a tip calculator, and it's based on the rating of the customer and the rate for the tip. And the next thing they want us to do is to work with case sensitivity. For example, if one of the letters is lowercase or uppercase, it shouldn't impact our code. Okay, so we have to take this in consideration. Like for example here, the GR are uppercase, and if you are going to compare your values to this value, it might fail, because if you have a lower G which you want to compare to an upper G, it will be false. Okay, and in case if none of these ratings appear in your code, they want us to print where is this sentence? I don't see it anymore. I think it was somewhere here. Okay, rating not recognized in case if none of these ratings appear. So I think there are several ways to make it work. The way I want to do it is creating a dictionary, and the rest of the code is simple. So another remark is that in order to solve it, I had to import math module. I didn't find any shorter way to solve this task. So the first thing, I'm going to create a dictionary. I'm going to name it available ratings. Okay. The first value will be 0. Good. And last one is excellent. Which is 20%. Okay. So for me, it's easier to work with dictionary, which is actually a key and its value. Okay. You can do it using a list or any other option. So once we have the dictionary, the second thing I want to consider is the issue with the key sensitivity. So I want to make sure I want to compare the rating which is provided from the function with one of these in my dictionary. Okay, so I want to convert it to a lowercase, because my dictionary is made of keys with lowercase. Okay, so anything that will be sent to rating here, for example the GR grade, the uppercase GR, it will be converted to lowercase, and then I will get a complete string with lower cases, and I can compare it to any of the keys in my dictionary. So I'm just simply checking if it exists in my dictionary. in this case, if it exists, we will do the calculations, and I just want to make this part rating not recognized. Let's copy it from here. Okay, so in case if the user will send a rating which is not in this dictionary, he will receive a message rating not recognized. So now we are going to make the calculation in one line. I tried to solve it with the round function, but unfortunately they asked us to round it up, okay, and this function doesn't know to do it. So the first thing we want to do is get the value of the key, okay. So with this part I'm going to get the value which is located in this index. The index will be one of the key names, okay, and I want to multiply it by the amount the customer paid. So if you run it now, part of them should work and the rest, which is supposed to round up, will fail. You see, we have 20 failed. So what I'm going to do is to use the CEIL, math.ceil, and it's going to round it up this way. That's it. 45 tests passed. It's a pretty easy task, but the nice thing is that it can develop your logic and it can teach you how to work with the dictionary. So I hope you liked the video, and see ya in the next tutorial.